Hi, what's up friends? Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from the X tutorials. Hi friends, in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to unsubscribe to a number of channels. Unsubscribing a single channel is a very easy task, but unsubscribing a number of channels or just deleting all the subscribed channels takes a lot of time. So follow these steps so that you can spend very less time in unsubscribing a number of channels. Once you click on YouTube, you have to click on subscription button, then you have to click on all, then you have to swipe left on the channels like I'm doing. Swipe left on each of the channel you have to you want to unsubscribe, and then click on that particular button, the unsubscribing button. Once you click on those, the channel is unsubscribed. So friends, as you can see, there is nothing in my channel list. That means I have not subscribed to any of the channels. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.